What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching some more idiots in cars. Of course, this is episode number 152. I have some amazing clips for you today, so sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now. Alright, we all need that one friend who supervises our genius in action. And also the guy in the white car is like, it's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. But anyways, we are moving on to some Swedish tanks. Oof. If that happened to a Volvo, imagine what would have happened to a normal car. Oh, I like the "Are you okay, beep beep?" Oh, this is gonna be good. We have a BMW and a roundabout. What can go wrong, really? Power! Oh, watch out! Careful! Wait, what is that? Oh, it's Lada. That Lada is like, hold my beer, BMW. This is how it's done. Anyways, life could be dream, life could be dream. That ride in that bus must be amazing. And I don't know what is going on, but I would buy a ticket for sure. Uh-oh. Oops. Looks like someone lost a package heading for Miami. If you know what I mean. Careful, bro. Careful, bro. You're not a boat. Take it easy, slow down, slow down. Good. Oh, come on, man, get out of the way. Optimus Prime cannot transform because of you. Get the hell out of the way. He can't go because of you. Move. Oh, and it's a pole. Oh, well, it's not a pole position, but it's a... What is that? A fountain position? That's a first. But anyways, power! Wee, I believe I can fly.
Obviously, don't go and do that.
Hey, you do whatever you like.
That was so stupid. Do it again. That dude decided to lick the stamp and send it. Oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And of course the BMW is the one who lost control. Who would have guessed? Power in reverse. Oof. What was that all about, man? And here you can see a friendly encounter between two neighbors somewhere in the USA. Oh, nothing to see here, nothing to see here. Oh, I have to drive over these every time in GTA. But only this guy did it in real life. Ooh, no. That's not gone well. Let's see. I suspect that guy doesn't like Jeeps very much. But anyways, on to the next one. These are very tricky conditions. Watch out for the wild cone. It can attack you, just like in that insurance scam video, if you remember. Oh, careful! Two drops of pee came out right there. Our dash cam guy was so lucky, which is always good, of course. Whoa, hold it, booyah! This is what I call powering your way home. Honey, I know you won't believe this, but those two cars just crashed into me. They were parked there, aggressively. Oh, hello there, glorified battery. How's it hanging? Let's see here. Uh-oh. Why, bro? If there was a medal for stupidity, you would get two, bro. Unbelievable. And meanwhile, in the land of freedom... What the hell is the kilometer? Bro found out that there's oil in his engine. But anyways, on to the next one. They see me roll and they hate, and well, it's safe to say that his taste in customization of a car is very questionable. Bro is straight out of Los Santos Customs. Whoa, no, hold it. Ooh, that was a sign position. That little Kia Soul is a menace for society, for sure. Let's see what is going on here. Oh, hello there. Move, bro, move. What the hell? Bro is playing too much. That was a Ferrari Pista, very beautiful car, but unfortunately there's a dingleberry inside it. Bro is like, should I go left, should I go right, should I go in the middle maybe? I'm going to the right. See ya, losers. Power. Bro did not want to hang around. Oh, that dude in the Jeep is like, come speed, baby. And as you can see, that's not gone well. He's not speed anymore.
Oh my god, what a idiot!
I definitely agree with you on that one. Whoa, dude, that was not cool. And what a surprise, he's gonna run away. What a genius. Yo, psst! I'm gonna sneak out of here. Don't tell anyone, please. They didn't change my oil for 5 years. I wanna find a better owner. Not to mention that they several times put the wrong fuel in my tank. You know how much that hurts? But never mind, I'm almost free. I'm almost free. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Almost. And I'm getting out of here. And that's a pole position. Oh, what is that guy doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, that's not gone well. Somebody probably shouted, do a flip, and the trailer did it. What is going on here? Whoa, dearie me. Poor guy, he did nothing wrong. And all of this because of one dingleberry. It's ridiculous. No, no, no! Woo. Head to the shopping list. The new pants. Oh no, 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 bruv. You little dingleberry. If you do something like this, you don't deserve your license, to be honest. But anyways, let's see here. Come on, buddy, you can do it. We don't have all day for this. Turn. Turn already. Oh, hello there, Tesla. Look at that nice reflection. But that pickup truck is like, nah. And now he's getting out of his truck, of course, to say how nice that Tesla looks. And of course, after he's done that, he went on his way. And believe me, only the nice words were exchanged. Whoa, dude! He's now probably wondering, why are all of these people driving in the wrong direction? Whoa, and a wild BMW attacks again. You gotta watch out for those. Because you never know. Let's see here. Oh, hello there, UK driver. Hello, buddy. One-way street. Go back. Or should I say, you need to back up right now, boy. Did you understand now? But, yeah, he's very persistent. Oh, here goes the minivan of doom. Never let him know your next move. Turn right from the left only lane. Be a man. Or be a minivan driver. Let's see here, and his name is John Cena. They touch. You've been touched by a minivan of doom. You know what, actually? The minivan is not at fault here. Very strange. But in any case, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the support, of course. It really means the world to me. And if you enjoyed in today's video, please smack that like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this, and also don't forget to leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all. Stay awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.